What's going on, everybody? Ben Beecher here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today we'll be walking through the 2022 Harris 230 Sunliner. You can see this boat is powered by a 200 horse Mercury 4-stroke motor, and this one also has the larger diameter tunes, that level P3.5 package, so 27-inch diameter tunes, as well as a 63-gallon fuel tank. All right, so we go up into the boat, you'll see this nice deep 4-rung, ergonomically friendly ladder. Nice wide grab handles here, 24 inches apart, easy to get up and into the boat. Back here you can see the safety rail as well as the ski tow bar. Safety rail does have fender storage in them. So walk into the back of the boat here, you can see this is going to be the single lounger package. So you walk through the starboard side, and then you're going to have this backrest here. It's a 3-position backrest. It'll flip the other way so you can face backwards here, face the aft of the boat, or it'll lay down flat to give you a nice big sun pad. As we walk into the boat, notice there's plenty of storage going to be underneath all of these seats here, as well as in the floor and under both front seats. As we come over here to the helm, you're going to see this one is equipped with the upgraded stereo. It's going to have wireless charging and the Simrad 7-inch glass dash. This one does have digital throttle and power steering, as well as a helm seat with bolster. See, it's got a nice tall bimini, stretches forward for plenty of shade. So if you're looking for a nicely equipped value boat for the family, look no further. It's a 2022 Harris 230 Sunliner. You can call us today or click on Hold This Boat. The sales professional will reach directly out to you, get you an appointment to come see it in person. Thanks, have a great day.